How do I easily deploy my code on AWS? AWS has several services which would allow you to do this. If you have a 3-tier web application, you can store your code in a Git repository or an S3 bucket, and then use AWS Elastic Beanstalk to provision your EC2 instances, deploy your code onto them, set up your auto-scaling groups, configure your Elastic Load Balancer, and provision your RDS database. If you are managing your own EC2 instances, you can use AWS Code Commit to store and track changes in your code, AWS CodeDeploy to deploy your code onto the instances, and AWS Code Pipeline to manage the continuous delivery of your code. If you're familiar with Chef, you can use AWS OpsWorks to configure your code and any related dependencies in an automated manner. Lastly, to deploy your infrastructure as code, you can use AWS CloudFormation to do so.